Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Pi Girl. In today's video, we are going to discuss simple yet most complicated thing on how to create two instances in Mac OS or Windows. So first, let's open our app Thonny. This is going to be an example topic for you to check. And right after you open the app, we have to click on Tools. Okay, and here you can see the options. Click on Options and just untick Allow Single Instances. Okay, this is what most of the people do and it works for few. If it doesn't work for you, as it didn't for me, so here I tried to open Thonny but it didn't happen. Okay, so here we have one instance of Thonny and we will click on Terminal. Okay, we will open our terminal. After that we are going to type command open -n -a thonny.app. You can replace with any other app name and then just click on enter. For the Windows, it works this way, start thonny.exe. Okay, so once I entered this, it instantly opened the other windows. So we were successful in creating two instances for our Thonny app. This works for any of the devices on Mac. Alright, that's it. Now we have learned how to open multiple instances. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on tech content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.